Now that your kit has arrived, you can get started by registering online. Firstly, discover the unique ID code on your kit. It's your key to unlocking a world of personalized health insights. To register, go to genofax.com or download our user-friendly mobile app, available on iOS and Android. Then, create your Genofax account using your email address. For a smoother experience, after signing in, scan the QR code provided in the booklet or simply type in the code. It is even simpler if you are doing a retest. Just log into your existing account and follow the prompts. Once you have registered your kit, it's time to collect your sample. It is quick and easy, and there is a step-by-step guide included with your kit. Your questionnaire is important. More answers from you mean more data for us to study and compare, and to develop your personalized report and recommendations. We will keep you informed at each step with helpful reminders and tracking, and soon you will have your report with personal and actionable information and recommendations to help you to live healthy longer.
Genofax.